Krishna Sagar Rao, I'm going to come to you first because the allegation from the ruling party in Telangana is that the BJP is basically using its tried and tested playbook, which is to stir up primordial passions and emotions and stay away from talking about the issues that affect people. The TRS basically says that by talking about anti-nationals and illegal immigrants and Jinnah, etc., the BJP is basically playing to its strengths.
Shiv, we have only one playbook, and that is applied all across the country, and we have been doing that since we are incepted. Now that playbook name is development, and only our playbook and nothing else. But we are drawn into these kind of peripheral issues by opponents who do not perform, because we have a track record of performance, and that is what is happening at the national end and also at the states where we run the government, and also at the city councils and corporations where BJP runs governments. There is just development, nothing else. But when we question what have you done in the last 5 years in GHMC, KTR's response is that if you elect BJP, there will be communal disturbances. This is the answer. When we question, why didn't you deliver on the promises of the 2-bedroom houses? Why didn't you make better roads? Why did you sink Hyderabad with criminal encroachments? The answer is BJP is communal. That is the answer. Because they have no answers to give in terms of performance.
Let's try and get some answers. Let's try and get some answers, Krishna Sagar Rao. Abid Rasul Khan, the BJP says that it was the TRS and specifically KT Ramarao who sort of threw the first proverbial communal punch by saying that, you know, vote for us for development and vote for BJP for communal flare-ups in Hyderabad. This is during a civic poll campaign. Abid Rasul Khan.
First of all, if it is an election which is being fought on development, on achievements and on the performance, we welcome the BJP to contest with us, and we also would like to say that we are ready for a fair fight on that issues. But as I have been watching your channel for the last 10 minutes, the whole narrative has been set by BJP, and it has set the narrative of agenda where you're talking of surgical strike. I can't understand, because I have read and I have seen that surgical strike is on terrorists in Pakistan, where our planes go and hit the terrorists and finish them off. If that is what they are going to do on the old city, then God only take care of old city. But if it is something that they want to show, let them come up with the development, let them come up with the manifesto. Leave all this biryani and all this surgical strike, name changing and all that, and talk about the development. The people of Telangana are educated. They know what is happening. They have seen the development. They have seen what we have achieved in the last 5 years. And we are ready for a fair fight, and we welcome them. As a matter of fact, Hyderabad's brand has to be safeguarded for all of us, our children, our families, and that Hyderabad, which has been known to receive everybody and accommodate them and take them into its arm, that has to be kept alive. That is our
Krishna Sagar Rao, the allegation from the TRS.
Mr. Krishna Sagar Rao.
Abid Rasul Khan is being much more gracious than some of the others in the party who've said some of the polarizing things, like the BJP leaders, no doubt.